Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be transforming myself.
Click my mom's video into a new subscribe button. Click that bell button, okay? Click the red button to subscribe to this channel.
I'm gonna be transforming myself into something other than what I am right now, which is a hot mess. It's just sad looking at myself in the mirror and be thinking like, oh god, I look fucked up. So this is gonna be my everyday makeup tutorial. Makeup that I do basically every single weekend. Not for work, because work is a whole different avenue, but whenever it's the weekend, your girl got herself a cute little everyday makeup routine to make myself look nice and presentable for the rest of the world. Y'all are just seeing a different side of me. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So I've already cleansed my face and put on moisturizer, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started with our face. So I'm gonna use my everyday primer. This is the L'Oreal True Match Gloomy Lotion Natural Glow Maker. I freaking love this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put on primer, and the primer I'm gonna be using is my e.l.f. Primer in sheer. I'm just gonna apply this on my eyes. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil. I freaking love this thing. I was running out of this and I just went back to buy a new one for when this one runs out. So, because I used to use the NYX Brow Wiz, not the Brow Wiz, the NYX Micro Brow. And then the thing with that one is that it was not soft enough for my eyebrows, that it would be not too waxy, but it'd just be too hard, and I'll be tugging at my eye trying to get the product to come out and to, like, I guess paint my eyebrows, if you know what I mean. I was like, I loved it because I knew it was kind of like a dupe for this one, but I didn't love it because of the tugging. It was just too rough on my eyes. And then I don't know if I want to do my eyes first or if I do my foundation. I'll do my foundation because that's what I usually do every single day, is my foundation. So this is my fancy foundation, I should say. It's one little pump, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. It's not the actual beauty blender, but it's a dupe of the beauty blender. So I'm gonna use my little beauty blender. So now I'm gonna go in with my eyes before I do my concealer, because in case anything were to fall out, I could just, cover it up with foundation and concealer, and then, blend everything out the right way. I'm gonna use my everyday favorite eyeshadow palette, which is the ColourPop Double Entrée. I don't know what it's called. I'm so sorry, I can't say that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade called Draft, and I'm gonna apply this all over the lid just to create a clean canvas. It's all one shade so that the colors can go on all evenly. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Hard, and I'm gonna apply this with a big little fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna apply this in the crease. I'm gonna create the line. So my crease is right about where my flap is, but I'm just gonna take that above that and create my own crease, because I'm a boss ass bitch and I don't follow rules. Just kidding. It's because my eyes are like super small and they're actually very difficult to makeup on, especially for eye makeup. It took me forever to figure out my eyes, because if you look back on my videos, oh my god, it's just something you don't want to see. Going in with this darker shade right here. This one's called Sun Noodles. Sun Noodles. And so I'm going to apply that with this Real Techniques brush. This is the Essentials crease brush. And I'm going to be applying this actually underneath that color. I'm mixing the two together, just creating a little bit more of a dimension and making sure that it is nice and blended. Then I'm gonna grab this little bullet brush. This is from AOA Studios, and I'm gonna grab the darkest shade in this palette, which is this one. It's called Keep It PG. I'm gonna start from the lash line, from the outer lash line, and then just bring it up. Wet n Wild brush. I'm not going to put any product in it. I'm just going to use it to blend the brown out. So I'm just making sure it's not creating any harsh lines and making sure that the colors are well blended together. It's called Hot Bod. It's just a nice golden shade. I'm going to take my Pro Setting Spray, and I'm going to grab just a little brush like this, and I'm going to apply that, spray my brush with it just to create a little bit more of the oomph to the glitter eyeshadow. Tap out the excess and then just apply this in the eyelid, all over the eyelid. The eyeliner I'm going to be using is the LA Colors Graphics eyeliner, and I'm going to create a winged liner. So I like to take out all of the product off of the brush, and then once I think that all the product is off the brush, then I dip the tip into the product, because as you can tell, like, the product is on top of the cap, so I like to dip the tip into the product and then apply it, because I don't like the fact that all the product is on the outside of the wand instead of just the tip. So I like to start from where the end of my eye ends, and then just create a simple line straight up, just like that. So people like to start from the inside and then create the line. For me, I like to start from the out, and then from where my eye creases, that is where I'm going to bring in the line into the top waterline, like so. As I do have small little lids, because I do have small little eyes, I have to see where my eye creases. Apply black liner on the top waterline. So I'm just gonna take this L'Oreal extension black liner. You could just use any one you have. You don't have to use specifically the one that I'm using. I'm gonna apply the concealer. So the concealer I'm using is the Born This Way Natural Radiant. I'm gonna use this concealer brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna not blend it out, but just I guess, yeah, blend it out. Blend out the concealer. So as you can tell that I've moved it to where I need it to be, but it's not really blended in. So this is where the Beauty Blender comes in, and then I just press it into the skin, and then it actually just becomes one with the skin. And I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for the lid, and I'm gonna grab that color. This one is called Teddy Bear, and I'm gonna apply this to the inner corner. And then I'm gonna, oh my God, Ian. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some powder onto my eye. Underneath my eye. So I'm gonna use my AOA Studio powder. I'm gonna take the colors that I used on the top of the eye underneath the eye. This is the Luxe 245 small shader brush. So I'm gonna take the color Hard, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna blend that underneath the eye. I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to use my Too Faced Snow Bunny little bronzer thing, and I'm just using my Moda brush. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I freaking love this because it just fits so perfectly in my it just fits so perfectly on my cheekbones and just really carves out my face. My Lux 512 small contouring brush, but I'm just gonna use it for my blush. By Winky Lux. I love this packaging, is so cute. It's the Celestial Powder Lights. And I'm gonna use my Real Technique little highlight brush. The excess, and then just apply it onto my cheekbones. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. So the lip pencil I'm going to be taking is my Sonia Kashuk. This is Maple Erasable, I think it's called. And so I'm just going to line my top lip. Maybelline Nude Embrace lipstick. Oh my god, I freaking love this lipstick for every single type of eye look. I feel like it just fits so perfectly with every single one because it's nude, it's beige, and it's just so pretty to me. Oh my god, like look at that. Mwah. That is it with the look. So I'm just gonna take my hair down. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.